Hi friends, welcome to Swad Bahar. Today I'm going to share the recipe of bottle gourd kofta curry. The ingredients required for this are bottle gourd or loki, tomatoes and onions. I've taken 3 each, diced them into medium slices, jeera powder or cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, sugar, finely chopped coriander, ginger garlic paste, finely chopped green chilies, gram flour or besan, one finely chopped onion, oil and water. Let's start preparing now. First, we have to peel off the skin of the bottle gourd and grate this. We have to use the thin blade grater while grating the bottle gourd. The grated bottle gourd is now ready. We have to squeeze this and ooze out all the excess water. We have to remove all the excess water. This should be completely dry. Now to this we have to add finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chilies. You can add green chilies as per your taste. Finely chopped coriander, jeera powder or cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, gram flour or besan. First I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan. If you add more besan, the koftas will turn hard. So we have to be careful while adding besan. First I'm adding 4 tablespoons. Now we have to mix all this and get this to a dough consistency. I'm adding little more besan to ensure this gets binded properly. This is now ready. Now we have to allow this to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll start with the preparation of the gravy. For that, we have to take the medium diced onions and grind this to a nice paste. Now we have to take a pan, add oil to this. Once the oil gets heated, we have to add cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Once the seed starts to splutter, we have to add the onion paste to this. Now we have to mix this and cook for a minute. Now to this we have to add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, little bit of sugar. This is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise you can ignore this. Now we have to mix all this well and cook for a minute. Now we have to add the tomatoes to the same mixie and we have to grind this to a nice puree. Now to this we have to add the tomato puree. Mix this and cook for a minute. Now to this we have to add red chili powder. Mix this and add some water. Now we have to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes on a very low flame. While the gravy is getting ready, we have to start making koftas with this. You can give it any shape. I'm going to give this round shape. The koftas are now ready. Now we have to deep fry them. I've heated the oil already. So I'm going to drop the kofta balls to this. We have to fry them on a very low flame so that it gets cooked from inside. We have to keep flipping them and cook them evenly on all the sides. These are now ready. The koftas are now ready. These are very tasty and you can have them as is. Now we have to add these to the gravy. Mix this. Add some finely chopped coriander. Cover this with a lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a very low flame. I've been cooking this for 4 minutes now. The koftas absorb the gravy and the increase in size. This is now ready. Let me take this to a serving bowl. The very tasty bottle guard kofta curry is now ready. You can serve this with roti, naan or rice. The koftas turn really soft and this is very tasty. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Swad Bahar.